Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Lincoln MKX key fob. First, make sure you have a new CR 2032 coin battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver to gently open the fob. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, ensuring you have enough space and good visibility. This preparation will help make the battery replacement process smooth and straightforward. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation along the edge of the fob, usually near where the emergency key would be. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing or internal components. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, insert the new battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click securely into place, forming a tight seal. Before you go, check the description for links to great deals and the new Kindle Paperwhite. Finally, test your key fob with your Lincoln MKX to confirm it's working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key fob.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.